Hey everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the topic for today is, if you had the chance to go back in time and change one thing, would you do it? If you had the chance to go back in time and change one thing, would you do it? It's a very interesting question when we talk about such thing that what essentially that we mean is we think in our past there is something that we would like to change, and if we would like to change the trajectory could be very different. Uh, for me, if I would have to change one thing in the past, and what I would do is, yes, I do have something that what I would change is I would change something about my school life. When I was in school, I feel that I used to be studious boy. I used to study too much. And when I look back now, I don't think there is too much to gain that amount of time that I've spent in studying. Uh, it would have been better spent in playing with other friends and spending time in lots of other activities. Although I was very active in extracurricular activities, but I feel that I did could not spend too much time on sports. So if I had the chance to go back and change one thing, it has to that thing that I would study less and spend some more time in sports and maybe reading novels or something like that. So that's the one thing that I would change about it, and I don't feel, and I feel that if I change this one thing, it might have a drastic impact on, maybe drastic impact on my life. Now, the thing is, what I have realized now, maybe I could have realized maybe 2 or 5 years before. That's it. Over to